Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. So this is the 73rd question of the geometry chapter. So question says a 10 centimeter thick cuboidal tank is open from the top. The external length, external breadth and external height of the tank is 60, 40 and 50 centimeter respectively. Find the external surface area of the tank. So this is like the previous question. So in previous question we have seen how we can use the external length and thickness to find the internal length, internal breadth and internal heights. Okay, the same tank, it is the same tank which is open from the top and has the same thickness also as in the previous question. So but over here we have to find the external surface area. So now if you look at it, in a cuboid there has to be 6 surfaces. Now if you look at it, the 5 surfaces that you have, if I draw this cuboid here, or let me draw a smaller cuboid. This is one. Let's say this is the cuboid that you have. Okay. Now if you look at it, in this cuboid, let's say this is the base and this over here, I'm marking A, B, C and D. Let's say this is the top of the cuboid. Now the tank is open from the top. That means at the top, the cuboid is like this. So in between there is this hole. So if you look at it over here, this part of the cuboid, this area, the surface at this top will be the shaded surface and not the entire one. For all the other ones like this over here, this will be the surface completely. Okay, this over here, there will be surface completely. This complete surface will be there. So 5 full surfaces are there, but the top one, which is length into breadth, the one of the length into breadth surface will be not complete. It will have a hole. So it is like there is some strip over here at the top. So 1 L into B surface. So 1 length breadth surface I am saying. Surface which is at the top. So this is the length breadth surface at the top. 1 length breadth surface is a strip. So it is a strip and it is not a complete surface. So now to find the answer, the breadth and the height, there are 2 surfaces of breadth and height. So I'll write it here. There are 2 surfaces of breadth and height in the cuboid. Then there are 2 surfaces of length and height in cuboid. 1 full surface of length and breadth, but 1 strip of length and breadth surface. So these are the 6 surfaces we have. We have to find the area of each of them and give the answer. So now we are talking only about the external surface. So we'll take external breadth, external height and external length into consideration. Just for the strip, we will have to take care of the thickness also. So now here, if there are 2 surfaces of breadth and height, there, let me do one thing. So we will just shift it on the right side. No, sorry, left side. So now 2 surfaces of breadth and height are there. So their areas will be 2 into, because there are 2 surfaces, breadth is 40, height is 50. This is breadth, this is height and this is length. Length, breadth and height. Okay. So which is 40 into 50, breadth into height. So 2 into 40 into 50. Now this 2 surfaces of length and height will be 2 into, length is 60. So and height is 50. 1 surface of length and breadth, which is 60 into 40. 60 into 40. And finally 1 strip, this strip area will be area of this external length breadth minus area of the internal length breadth. So external length breadth is 60 into 40. 60 into 40 minus internal length breadth, a thickness is of 10. So internal length will be 60 minus 10, which is 50, and internal breadth will be 40 minus 10. Sorry, not, so thickness is here as well as here. So 60 minus 20 it will be. 10 is deducted for this length and 10 is for that length. So 60 minus 20. Sorry. So this is 40 into, that is 40 minus 20 again, breadth, because breadth is removed from here as well as here. So 10 centimeter from here and 10 centimeter from here. So 40 minus 20 if you do, you will be remaining with 20. So this is 60 into 40 is 2400. 6 4s are 24, and this is 800. So 24 minus 800 is, this is 1600. This over here is 2400. 60 into 40. 60 into 50 is 3000. Into 2 is 6000. Over here 40 into 50 is 2000. 2000 into 2 is 4000. You add all of them and these three plus this one, 1600 it is. Okay. So this becomes 4000 plus 6000 is 10,000. 10,000 and 2,400 is 12,400. 12,400 and 600 is 13,000 and 14,000. So it is 14,000 centimeter square. That is the external surface area of this cuboid. Okay, that's how you solve this question.